How to edit Instagram story after posting. So if you want to edit your Instagram story after posting, then let's see if it's possible or not. First, open up your Instagram and add a story. So tap on your story that you've just posted, and now you need to go with the bottom right, which has that 3 dots, and here you may have edit option. So if you have the edit option, you can just simply go with edit and you'll be able to edit your story. Or you can go with add mention, so that you can add some mentions that you've previously forgot to add. Or go with story settings, and here you can hide the story, or you can add it to your close friends. You can allow message replies, or you can turn off the commenting and everything. You can have all of these options, but if you want to edit, then you might not have that option. So in order to edit the Instagram story, you just need simply go with the bottom right, which has that 3 dots, and then tap on delete. After deleting the story, again go with the edited story and then post the new story. So that's it. That's how you can edit your Instagram story after posting. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.